Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable TruVolume on your HISENSE TV. So first, go over to the settings. So as you guys can see, we need to go here. Now let's go to sound and select sound mode settings. And here we will have the TruVolume. We can basically enable or disable it, and it will control large volume changes, as you guys can see, while watching some TV programs or films, and it will basically provide a better volume, so it'll be much more comfortable. I had a chance to test it and I think it works really great on that TV. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.